Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting question from the chapter sets. This question is based on the topic disjoint sets. Okay. So two sets are known as disjoint sets if no element is common in these two sets. Okay. So you see the question here, which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? In every question there are two sets, pair of sets are given, and we have to decide that whether these two sets are disjoint or not. Here first question, set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and x, another set having element x such that x is a natural number and x is lying between 4 and 6. So let us see the solution of this first part of the question here. So we have given two sets. First set is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and second set element is x, where x is a natural number and x lies between 4 and 6. X is greater than equal to 4, less than equal to 6. So here elements are 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to decide whether these two sets are disjoint or not. And as we discussed, for this two sets are disjoint only when there is no common element. But we see that these two elements 4 are available in both the sets, isn't it? Intersection of these two sets is not empty. At least one element is here, 4. So this set is not a disjoint set. Okay. So as we told you that two sets are disjoint only when the intersection of two sets is a null set, is a empty set. So but here if you find the intersection of these two sets, if you find the intersection of these two sets, then this is not a null set. This is a set having elements 4. This is not a null set. So if two sets are disjoint, intersection must be a null set. But in this case, intersection is having a set with element 4. This is not a disjoint set, and therefore these two sets are not disjoint. Okay, therefore sets are not disjoint. Okay, clear? Now let us see, this is first part. Now let us see second part of this question. Here question is, two sets are given here. First set is having elements A, E, I, O, U, all the vowels. And another set is having elements C, D, E and F. If you check these two sets, you will see that these two elements are common in both the sets. Again, intersection of these two sets is not a null set. So intersection of these two sets is a set having element E. This is not a null set. But we know that two sets are disjoint only when intersection of two sets is a null set. So here intersection of sets is not an empty set. So sets are not disjoint. Clear? Hope you are understanding it very well. Very simple question. And third part of this question, here two sets are. First set x such that x is an even integer, means even integer may be positive as well as negative. So like this, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, all even integers. And this set is having elements odd integers. Another set is having elements like -3, -1, then +1, +3, +5 and so on. and intersection of these two sets will be null set, because there is no integer which is even as well as odd. These two integers, even and odd are separately distinct, different. So there is no element common in these two sets. Okay, so intersection of these two sets is a null set. So therefore these sets are disjoint sets. So hope you have understood. When intersection of two given sets is empty set, sets are known as disjoint sets, otherwise not disjoint. So hope you have understood it very well. So keep watching these videos and enjoy learning set theory and have a good command over this topic. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.